Kale juice is a great way to get kale, fruits and vegetables into your diet. It tastes delicious and can be enjoyed on a daily basis. In this video we'll discuss 5 benefits of kale juice. 5 benefits of kale juice. 1. Detox. Kale is a nutrient-rich green leafy vegetable that can help to detox your body. 2. Anti-inflammatory. Kale has a high concentration of flavonoids which are anti-inflammatory in nature. They can help to reduce inflammation and pain associated with arthritis, asthma, cardiovascular disease, or psoriasis. 3. Anti-cancer. Kale is rich in vitamin D which has been shown to have anti-cancer properties. It also contains a variety of antioxidants and phytochemicals that help to prevent cancer cells from growing out of control. 4. Prevent heart disease. Kale has a high amount of vitamin K which can help to prevent heart disease. It is also rich in potassium and manganese, both of which are important for the body's cardiovascular health. 5. Prevent diabetes. Kale has a high amount of fiber which can help to prevent the onset of diabetes. Fiber helps to control blood sugar levels and regulate insulin production, preventing spikes in glucose after eating carbohydrates. The kale juice benefits mentioned above are just some of many. Be sure to check back for more.